Both Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones traded bullish throughout the day yesterday, and again with the US cash session too, though the high was seen before the session itself, but again trading with a rise. Now what can be expected today, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe is missing on the profits. Do press the bell icon also, at the next update on both of these indices will be up before the US cash session, so do watch that also. So let's start. First we look into Nasdaq 100 followed by Dow Jones. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, do note down the levels. Let's start. Now on the hourly charts, now see, observation here is higher lows, lower highs. Again, phases of consolidation. Yes, if you see it trading below 11,250, you can take a short entry here on Nasdaq 100. You can sell Nasdaq 100. You can expect that we may see little more bearishness, and on the downside, how far it can drop. See, 11,200 is definitely a major support. I have always maintained this 11,200, 11,140 and 11,100. These are the three levels you should watch out for. Below that, also remember the fact, till 11,000 I will not confirm that this is bearish. I will not say that this is bearish. Till only below 11,000 you can expect that the Nasdaq 100 has reversed and it is going to trade bearish from here. So be careful. Yes, you can sell there at 11,250 and buy at 11,350. This is clear from here, but let's have a further look into other time frames also. Remember, I told you, I have reiterated it several times, beyond 11,200, 11,300, 11,400, 500, these are the major resistances level, and only if it trades above 11,500 you can confirm that it is reversed and it may trade bullish from there. Now look, directional movement is bullish here on the hourly charts. Stochastic is overbought. It traded for few hours, it traded extremely overbought. Now again back to this zone. The MACD has crossed over and it's trading in green. I'll wait for it to sustain this because it is right now converging, indicating bearishness. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts and look at the previous two candles. Higher highs, higher lows, trying to trade in this channel. 11,350 levels, certainly a good resistance. Beyond that, you can expect that we are looking at 11,420, and beyond that you can expect 11,500 levels. So yes, you can buy there at 11,350, expect 11,420, 500. You cannot be denied these levels. Yes, these can achieve these levels. At the same time, trading below 11,240, you can sell there and expect 11,200 as a major support, 150, 140, 100, and then below that 11,040, 11,000 levels to come out to the rescue. Only bearishness is below 11,000. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought. MACD is again in green. RSI is near to top. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts here, and you will find that the bullishness has certainly diminished here. But at the same time, till the time it trades in this fashion that it gives you steps, probably the next candle can give you a breakout. So I'll wait for it to give you a breakout either which way. Yes, if it drops below 11,250, you can sell there and expect it to continue with the bearish momentum. Till the time it trades above 11,250 and 200, I will not confirm that it is trying to reverse any point of time. On the downside, once it breaks below 11,000, you can expect a further sharper drop and it will carry on with the bearish momentum. Directional movement bullish, stochastic looking upwards. MACD is in green, RSI at the top. On the 4-hour charts, now see, on the 4-hour charts, you can find out it is trying to trade in this channel. Highs have been seen, retracement, bottom is achieved, again trying to reverse, and yes, if it continues in this fashion, 11,500 is the target which can be achieved. In fact, 11,650 cannot be denied. Directional movement bullish, stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is also looking bullish here. Now look at the daily charts. Also on the daily charts, look at the previous candle. A tail and a wick and a smaller body here. So compared to the day before's stronger bullish indication, this time it refrained to give the highs out there. Now see, already it is trading above 11,200, which is definitely a major resistance. But see this, and yes, the zone here at 11,400, this is the major level. Below that, beyond that, 11,500, 600 levels, 120 cannot be denied, which is very good resistance. Beyond that it will fly high. So I'll wait for it to break past 11,400. Yes, you can buy at 11,350, expect 11,380 and 400 as the major resistance. Only if it trades above 11,400, you can expect that we are looking forward to a further bullish move. On the downside, the support there at 200, 150, 140 is very strong. This is the 20 period moving average. Below that, furthermore bearishness can be seen. The directional movement is bullish here. It is crossed over on the buy side. The stochastic is now again overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish, and the RSI is rising too. So yes, buy there at 11,350. Expect 11,380, 420. Rather, I will say 400, 420. This is going to be a very strong resistance zone. So be careful of 11,380 to 420 levels. Beyond that, you can remain long on NASDAQ 100. Expect 11,500, 600 levels to get achieved. 600 is going to be the next milestone. On the downside, if it breaks below 11,250, sell there for 11,200, 11,140, 100, 040 and 11,000. Till 11,000 it has got very strong resistance, and hence you have to be careful. You have to trade with the trailing stop loss till 11,000 levels if you are taking a short position, and take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Yes, you can be part of my signals group where you can trade as per the signals, and definitely you can profit. The community tab, in the community tab you will find the screenshot of the last 3 weeks performance. Else, first invest in your learning, because the learning will reap you the profits throughout your life. You can be part of my mentorship batch. The 16th batch starts on 7th of November. Be a part of it. Do not miss to invest in your learning first. Become a professional, become an independent, become a proficient and profitable trader. Join my mentorship batch. So for any of your trading or training queries, you can reach out to me on my Telegram and email IDs, the both mentioned in the channel and video description. Else, become a patron and support the effort which I am putting day in day out for you. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. See, US30 on the hourly charts, yes, moderately bullish here. See the previous candle failing to achieve the highs of this. Yes, you can sell there at 3680 levels. Below 3680, you can expect 3650, 600 as the good support, and below that it will continue with the bearish momentum. So sell there at 3680 till the time it trades about 3680. Do not think of selling Dow Jones. Yes, it is still trying to trade bullish, but the diminishing body size indicates that there is not much of strong bullishness there on the upside. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic overbought. The MACD is in red, trying to cross over for a bullish move. RSI trading with little bullish bias. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, look at the previous candle. It is certainly traded with a smaller body, but then also it indicates that the next candle can be further bigger. So I'll wait for the next candle. If it breaks out beyond 3,800 levels, you can certainly buy it. 3840 is the good resistance. I told you also 3,800, 840, 920 and 31,000 levels can be seen. So these are the resistance levels. You have to definitely watch out for these levels. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought. The MACD is trading with very little divergence. RSI also near to the highs out there. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now interestingly on the 3-hour charts, see the body size has diminished. Here you can find the body size has diminished here, but at the same time it is trying to get the resistance from the upside. Yes, if you see it trading above 3,800, you can buy, but then expect 3,840. Definitely a good resistance. Beyond that we may see 3,920, and then above that it is going to hit 31,000 also. Now also look at one observation, that a strong rally, phase of consolidation, and yes, it is trying to trade within this. On the downside, till the time it trades above 3,400, 3,350 zone should not be considered as bearish. Only below this zone you can expect that it is going to drop again on the downside. So be careful of that. On the upside, 31,000 level should offer a very strong resistance. The direction movement divergent and bullish, stochastic entering overbought levels. The MACD is extremely overbought here. Possibility of a drop exists from here. The RSI is overbought. The 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, yes, after a little retracement, it has given a breakout with the previous candle, and now it is trying to achieve the highs. Now it is trying to trade in green. Only bearishness, yes, if you see it trading below 3,680, you can expect that we are looking forward to a reversal. Then you can expect 3,500, 3,400 as the major support. Only if it breaks below 3,400, confirm that it will trade bearish from there. Directional movement extremely bullish, stochastic looking upwards, MACD divergent and extremely bullish, RSI is near to overbought levels. Now look at the daily. On the daily charts, look at this candle and this candle. The bullishness has definitely diminished. Yes, the previous candle has left a wick out there, and then a smaller tail indicates that possibility of swings cannot be denied. At the same time, on the upside, 31,000 level should be greater resistance. 3950, 31,000 should offer a greater resistance. 3500, 400 is a major support. Below 400 only, confirm that it will try to trade bearish. Yes, it can give you good swings between 31,000 to 30,500, 30,400, 350 levels. Below 30,350, yes, you can expect little more bearishness. Directional movement strongly bullish. Stochastic overbought. The MACD divergent and bullish here, and the RSI trading flat. Considering this, you can buy there at 3800 levels and sell there at 3680 levels. On the downside, below 3680, you have to take care of 3620, 3550, 3500, 3400. These are the next milestones. Only and only below 3400 you can expect that it may trade bearish from there. On the upside, yes, you can buy there at 3800, but then expect that 3840, 3920, 3970, 31,000, these are the major resistances. Only above 31,000 little more bullishness will be seen. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. In between 3400, 3350 to 31,000, you have to trade with caution. Yes, it can show you good swings. Trade your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group, become a patron. All the links and contact details are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.